HustleDreamProduction.
You guys probably thought that I wasn't gonna give you an intro, but I am, okay? I'm right here putting in the manpower, okay? Putting in the footwork, okay? I'm editing the video, for crying out loud, right now as we speak. Alright, in this video I did a crop top, alright? Crop top. Coconut. I don't even know. I don't get it. But, alright, I'll teach you how to do it. I did a contour fade. This is like a straight hair crop top, if you will. If you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, alright? If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. But for now, stay tuned. I'm gonna fake type as if I'm doing some type of work, as if I'm not already done. You know what I mean? I gotta make it look like, you know what, I gotta fake it till I make it, you know? Alright YouTube, so like I always say, before you actually start cutting the hair, you want to make sure you comb or brush the hair in place, either with the grain or whatever direction that the hair wants to fall in. So right now I'm going to set in my bald line using my magic clips. Again, I modified these clippers into be balding clippers, and usually I would set my bald line with my liners. But I'm going to show you guys you can still create that contour fade using the clippers, you know what I mean? Because, you know, using the liners, it may leave that bald line out. And I know for beginners, it's tough to take out that bottom line. So you guys can still, you know, maneuver it and still, you know, get that same contour look by using the clippers as well. So this trick that I like to use is the same as using the liners, but what you're doing is you're kind of, you know, you're using your clippers, you're not fully zero gapping them, and you're just kind of cutting it off as if you were using your liners. This is way more faster and gives you that same trimmer feeling. Now switching to my Babble Gold FX. With the 2-guard open, I'm just simply taking out bulk, and I'm doing it in a scoop out motion. Now that the bulk is cleared out, we can see a lot clearer now. So right now, with the lever open, I'm going up about 1 inch and making sure I keep it consistent all the way around. Putting on the 1-guard, same thing. I'm going up about 1 inch, making sure I'm consistent all the way around. So putting back on the 2-guard open, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna go up about 1 inch. I'm using my comb as like a guideline controller, if you will. And I'm basically just controlling how far I go up with my comb. So now that we got the guidelines set in, it's time to clipper over comb. And this is just getting that shape right. My client doesn't want anything off the top. He doesn't really want me to touch the top at all. And I just want to get that high top look down. You know what I mean? With these type of haircuts, clients are really picky about their shape, and it's important that you do your clipper over comb and make sure no hair is just sticking out where it's where it shouldn't be. So make sure that you get everything looking like a high top, and do your clipper over comb work. So right now I got my 2 guard open, just kind of cleaning up that area. So putting on that 1.5 guard open, I'm just cleaning up that area between the 1 and the 2. So with the 0 guard open, I'm going to soften up that middle line. Now for all my veterans out there, you guys could just jump into it with the 0 guard closed, take out that bottom line if you're comfortable with it. But all my beginners, it'll be easier for you to just soften up that middle line real quick and then close it. Now with the 0 guard closed, it should be way easier to flick out that middle line. Since there's nothing, there's hardly anything there anyway, it'll be way easier. Now with the lever closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Next step is to do some detail work. There's always imperfections. After you do these guidelines, no one's perfect, no one's hit it spot on. So it's always good to grab different guards and just go in, use your corners, and mirror check your mirrors, rest your eyes, look away real quick and give your eyes a break. Come back, because the blend is gonna look so blurry that your eyes will deceive you. So it's good to just, like I said, look in the mirror or just take a quick look at something else real quick and come back to your blend and do some detail work. So to add that nice touch to the blend, I'm gonna razor bald the bottom with the Babble shavers. This makes it razor bald. It adds another transition to your blend. It makes everything look more cleaner. My client really didn't want anything off the top, but I thought that it would look good if it was a little textured. So I'm spraying my client's hair with water, and I'm just gonna do some point cutting, and then I'm gonna blow dry in style. I'm gonna put some pomade in my client's hair and style it with my styling comb. YouTube, this is the cut, and if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you like the beat, make sure you go over to HustleDreamProduction. His YouTube channel will be in the links in the description as well. If you like any tools that you've seen in this video, check out the link in the description as well. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Chip!